Yes, good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, you just mentioned
Hello.
acquaintances and not friends. Okay. Rotary is one. You will meet friends and more of a friend. This is the best place
Sure.
to.
Hi, Ayman and Seema.
Hi, Seema.
Hello.
Hello all. Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello everybody.
Hi, this is Abhishek.
Hi, Abhishek. Good evening.
Hi,
Good
Abhishek.
evening.
Good to see young members in the club. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
Hi, Sadik.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, Sadik.
Hi, Sadik.
Hi, Sadik.
So
Sadik, we have Nazir
Hello.
with us today.
Right, acha,
Right,
you invited him. Right.
Hi,
Rotarian
Abhishek.
Pramod did help
Nitya,
us from the
Sadik.
district team to set up the club
Hello.
in a very big way.
Hello, Imran.
Both Rotarian Pramod and Rotarian Bridge was there in the meeting that we had with the district team. So they guided us in a
Yeah,
very
initial
nice way.
decisions,
Yes. So initially we were all helter-scattered that what to do and how to organize things, and they helped us a lot, and those guidance really mattered at the end. And here they are again to guide us again.
Sadik, the sound is not very good, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, we
cracking?
can't hear you.
You're not
Yeah, it's
audible.
cracking.
If your bandwidth is low, then it's better to be, keeping video.
No, actually, we can stop our videos. It'll be better.
Yes, that helps.
Let's,
But then
yeah,
we
let's
can
stop
do
the
it later.
video.
I mean, when the meeting starts. Okay.
Okay.
So that, I mean, now it's time to interact. So, which is fine.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, and especially for my benefit, let the video be on for a while. I need to have a face to the name.
Yeah, we all need actually.
Actually, we all need that,
Yeah,
Nazir,
we don't
because
know anyone.
most of us have not met. We have not
Face
met
to
all of
face,
the crowd.
Okay,
So
okay. Hello. Good.
Yeah,
we're all sailing in the same boat, Nazir.
yeah, but
So
we'll all be meeting on the 22nd. So
Okay. So I'm not the odd one out over here.
No, you're not the oddball out.
Hi Samir.
So
Welcome.
how many members we are going to start with? Sadiq, how many members we are going to start with?
I
Now
think we
are
have 10,
starting
so
with
let's
9
start.
members.
9 members.
We have already 9
9
members registered with us, and we
Okay.
are trying for more members, and there are a few members who are in the pipeline. Meaning
Okay.
they
Good
said
evening.
they'll join by
Good
the end
evening,
of
everyone.
July.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening,
Good
Surendraji.
evening.
Hi, hi.
Good
Good
evening,
evening.
sir.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Hello.
How is everyone?
Good.
All good. Waiting for you.
All good.
Nice to see you all. Hi, Samir. So, Samir, you are on mute.
Yeah, I am. No.
Hi, Samir.
Hi.
How do you
How
do?
are you? Yeah, very well. How are you doing?
Good. Everything good.
Hello, everybody.
Oh,
I'm
hi
your best
Samir.
friend Samir.
Hello,
Good evening,
Samir.
Samir. Good evening,
Good
Samir.
evening.
Good
Hello,
evening.
Sameer.
Yeah, hello.
Samir is our main backbone for membership development. He is a membership team chairperson. He is working behind the scene to you all. Let me say, he is the main man behind this.
Okay.
You all are here because of him. He has put a lot of efforts behind this work.
Thank you.
First time he is joining the meeting personally, but he was there at the back working.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Samir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Welcome
Thank you for
aboard.
being.
So I think I know this Sadik. How are you, Sadik?
I'm really good.
Who doesn't know
Sadik
Sadik?
I didn't know him.
Sadik is one. Sadik, you had a clean shave again, huh?
Yes, today again.
Seema, you will know him better now when you are there with his company.
Yeah, because when he called me, that's how I came to know there's somebody called Sadik also.
Yeah, no, you will know him better now when you are with him.
Good.
He does a lot of social work, lot of things.
Yeah.
I don't do, currently I don't do, but we are forming this club for doing that.
But
So
Sadik
he-
loves to talk. Seema, Sadik
Yes,
loves
yes,
to
I
talk.
know. Yeah, I know that. Absolutely.
That
I'm a good listener too.
everyone has got some character, something good in him.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Welcome, Pramodji.
Namaste,
We are
namaste.
waiting for Mr. Bridge. Nice to see you here.
Nice to see all of you here.
So
Good to
we
be in
have,
touch during lockdown, of course.
yeah, with lockdown. But we have taken a lot of support from you. You are the working guide to us. And I think we have talked 1 month before on
That's
this
right.
subject.
Right.
So
right.
Sadik was there that meeting. He has a lot of
Yeah, I
questions
can
to
see.
you.
I recall Sadik was there. I
Ayman
believe
was
Yeah.
there.
Ayman was there.
Yeah. So there are 2, 3 at that time. Now it is a triple, 3 times.
Good.
And I expect them to grow better in the next month. So
Two of our
Sadik, we
members
are
are still
wait.
left. One is Mr.
Sorry?
Sanjay. Two of our members are still left. One is Mr. Sanjay, and
Yeah.
the other one,
But
Munira, she'll maybe probably not join today.
Munira is
Okay.
not joining. Okay.
No, probably she has some issues. So she.
Oh, namaz.
Let's wait for Mr. Bridge for a few minutes.
Yes.
Let him join.
Which
Yeah.
come.
Yeah.
I believe
Let
Rajesh
him
is also
come.
going to join.
Rajesh is also expected there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Same Munira might have a namaz timing.
No, she has.
Yeah,
She's busy in
but
something.
she is busy with her daughter with some other
Ah.
issues. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
May I know something about, I can see some new person. Welcome, Rizi. Mr. Nazir.
Good evening.
Yes.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah,
Nazir.
we are not met, I think. Can
no,
you introduce
no.
yourself?
I have
Yeah,
introduced Nazir to our group this time, so I've asked him to join the meeting. So Nazir,
Okay,
over
good.
to you to introduce yourself, please.
Oh, sure.
Welcome, Mr.
I don't know
Bridge.
if my name's. Okay, somebody else is joining. I might as well do it once.
Mr. Bridge is here.
Yeah.
Good evening, Bridge.
Good evening.
No one, Miss
Good evening.
Selena is also joining.
Good evening, Brici.
Good evening. Good evening.
How do you do?
Very fine.
Nice to see you here.
Pleasure. Where is Rajesh Jain? I don't find him.
Rajesh must be joining.
Excuse me.
The meeting is scheduled for 6, so we joined a little bit earlier.
Okay.
Yeah, there is some time, yes.
Sorry, 7. Sorry, it's scheduled for 7. So it's still 2-3 minutes more.
Gupta ji, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening. Nice
How are
to
you
see you
doing?
here. We
My
are
pleasure.
troubling you quite a lot.
No, not at all. I was actually attending RCPN installation.
Yeah.
So Rashmi started the speech and I said, now I need to attend another meeting.
But it is good that we got some name there. So we started the initiative quite good in time. So nice to initiative of Sadik to come in line, understand the things faster. So he picked up the thread.
Good,
And
good.
we
You are
did
doing it. You
Rotarian
did
Gupta a lot.
fun.
I made 100 calls to him.
Pardon? Sadik?
Yes.
Mr. Bridge wants to ask you something.
Yes, please do, sir.
No, nothing in particular right now.
Yes.
How many of us are there, Sadik? How many new
There are 9
Rotarians?
registered members, and there are about 3 or 4 people in the pipeline.
Okay.
So
You will
15
need
we'll
12.
have.
As per the DG's directive, we'll need 12 people to start the
Yes.
satellite club.
Yes. So we'll have 15. In the range of 15, we should have.
Great. That sounds good.
So we are trying to make the orientation so that they know the Rotary well, so that they can pick up better.
See, Gupta ji, will try our best. I am there. Pramod is there. But let me tell you, let me tell the group rather. I am a Rotarian for last 15 years. Now,
Yeah.
many people believe, like you, that Sethi knows about Rotary. Yes, I know a little bit about Rotary, but let me tell you, Rotary is an ocean. After 15 years, I can't claim I know everything about Rotary.
So,
One of the things which is, very good about Rotary is it's a dynamic organization. Every 3 years you have COL, every 3 years the rules of the game keep changing. Some new rules are added, some new things happen. So keeping track with everything is a big challenge. The basics of Rotary today, the end of this meeting, the basics will be quite clear.
that's very correct. Very correct, you said. So we know, we want to know what we do not know something about that. We may be not knowing that much what you know. That is what we are looking for.
Gupta ji, aisa hai, the Rotary is like an ocean.
Yes.
How many anchors and how many buckets you'll remove out of it, it depends entirely on you. What is
Yes,
your
yes.
investment?
That's right.
If, the new members also, if you have time and you have the inclination, go to a website, rotary.org. And if you start, going in details, you can spend a couple of days.
Yes, that's
Lockdown
right.
will not bother you any longer, because after the lockdown also there will be enough in rotary.org which you have not read. There's so much of material lying there.
So let's welcome Rajesh. He's there.
Yeah,
Fatima is here.
I think
Rajesh.
Hi, hello. Hello, Brish sir.
Hello.
Hello. Pramod, hi.
Good evening, Rajesh.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening.
Rajesh, good evening.
Hi, Samir.
Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Should we start?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's start. Yes.
You, Rajesh?
Yeah,
let's start.
Yes, so good evening and thank you all the Rotarians, especially Rotarian Bridge and Rotarian Pramod and President Rotarian Dr. Mr. S.K. Gupta, who graciously hosted us and supported us for forming this club. And I hope he'll continue to support us in the future as well. And I welcome all the Rotarians as well. So we'll start with the program, and we'll start with introduction of the first speaker. So Rotarian Abhishek will be introducing Rotarian Bridge Sethi. So please, Abhishek, could you introduce him?
Yeah, thank you so much. Good evening and a warm welcome to all the Rotarians. It is an honor to introduce Rotarian Bridge Sethi sir today. He is an engineer from Delhi. He joined Thermax company way back in 1970 as a trainee and became a director and CEO for one of the group companies. He had worked in various fields like material, after sales, project management, and construction. He has visited more than 12 countries during his long career with Thermax. He is founder chapter president of Project Management Associates and winner of Dr. Davidson Frame Award in Project Management. Mrs. Archula Sethi is truly his better half. A science graduate from Delhi, she was a banker till 1997. Mr. and Mrs. Sethi are blessed with son Puneet and daughter Niti. Both are happily married and well settled in their profession. He joined Rotary in 2004 to serve the humanity. He was president of Pune Sports City in Rotary year 2010-11. He organized contribution of rupees 13 lakhs for polio and also collected rupees 15 lakhs for the club project during his year. He contributed a record of $40,000 for Rotary Foundation. He has been honored as the best president in Rotary year 2010 and 11. He has been part of 3,131 districts since 2010. He has held various positions significantly as director, RDEP for 2 years, assistant governor, director foundation, and district chair member currently. He is a major donor and his entire family of 7 is Paul Harris Fellows. We all congratulate Rotarian Bridge Sethi for his wonderful journey of life and achievement. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhishek. I'll need help from
Thank you,
Rajesh.
thank you, sir.
Yeah, I have the PPT,
Yeah,
sir.
Sadiq will help you, sir.
I'll have the PPT. I have the PPT.
Yeah.
Just a second. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
This is good?
Yes, we can see the scene.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sadiq, can you mute others for attending?
I'll do that.
During the presentation,
I'll
you
do
mute
that.
the people. Yes.
Good evening, friends. Let's start knowing a little bit about Rotary. Next, please.
Yeah. There's it.
See, Rotary is essentially an organization of business and professional people united worldwide who provide humanitarian service, encourage high ethical standards in all vocations, and help build goodwill and peace in the world. Now, some of the words I would like to emphasize. One thing, it's an organization of business and professional people. It is a worldwide organization present in 200 countries. We do humanitarian service. We believe in high ethical standards in all vocations, and we help build goodwill and peace in the world. We'll talk about focus areas, etc. Then we will cover it further. Next, please. See, it is important to understand Rotary is an association of Rotary clubs throughout the world. Currently, there are 35,000 plus clubs in the world across the globe. Sadiq, some
Yeah.
audio you need to mute.
Yeah, just a second.
You might get quite a lot of friends. Oh, no, that's let us begin.
I can't spot who is unmuted. Could you mute yourself, please? Wuhan. Yeah, I think. Yeah, so please,
Okay.
you can do it.
Rotary is an association of Rotary clubs throughout the world. Rotarians are members of their respective clubs. One thing we need to understand very clearly, we are not members of Rotary International. We are members of our clubs, and our clubs are members of Rotary International. Many Rotarians, they have this, if I may say, wrong concept that we are members of Rotary International. We are not. Our clubs are. Next. The story started in 1905, I think 115 years back. The first Rotary Club was organized in Chicago, 23rd February 1905 by Paul Harris. Paul Harris' name you will hear time and again because he was the person who started this all. The club started with 4 members and they met in rotation because they had no formal place. So my office and Sadiq's office and Guptaji's office and Rajesh's office, that is why the name Rotary, because by rotation they kept meeting. And you'll be wondering who were these 4 people. One of them, that is Paul Harris, he was a lawyer, advocate. Second guy was a coal merchant. Third guy was a merchant tailor. And fourth guy was a mining engineer. Now these people were from different trades. They came together as business associates, and that association today is known as Rotary International, which has no parallel in service and fellowship across the globe. Next, please. See, Rotary Club, this is where the action is. These 35,000 clubs, these are the real places where Rotary action takes place. There are districts, there are zones, etc., which I'll talk about a little later, but everything happens in the club only. Club is the most important part of the Rotary outfit. All clubs are governed by bylaws, which are different for different clubs, because the fees could be different, their members, the board could be little different, etc. Whereas there is a constitution of Rotary clubs. Constitution is same for all the 35,000 clubs across the globe, the constitution cannot be changed. It can be changed only by the Rotary Parliament, which is known as College of Legislation, Council of Legislation, COL. We'll talk about it later. Now, Rotary clubs are a part of a district and member of Rotary International, as I told you earlier. Now, these districts and zones, now this is a administrative setup because 35,000 clubs cannot be controlled from Chicago Rotary International. So the whole world is divided into 34 zones. And there are 536 or 38 districts. Like 3131 where we belong, this district is revenue district of Pune and Raigad put together. Our district, we have about 140 clubs and about 5,500 Rotarians in Pune and Raigad. Within India, we have about 152,000 Rotarians and there are 3,500 clubs and there are 38 districts in total. Next, please. Now, the administration of the club, where the real action takes place, there is a board of directors. President is the king of the club. President is the most powerful person. Gupta ji is attending this meeting with us. In Rotary, it is said that club president is more powerful than the international president of Rotary. The reason is all the action takes place in the club only. Rotary president is an administrative head. He doesn't do any projects. They only provide guideline, etc. In the club, typically there's a president, there's a vice president, there's a secretary, there's treasurer, and there's a team of directors for administration. There's one for membership, another one for public image, another one for foundation, one more for administration, and so on and so forth. Now, what is unique about Rotary is, I'm sure most of the members will be coming with some business background. It's a unique organization where all the office bearers get a tenure of 365 days, 1 year. The entire club and the district administration, it changes hand on 1st July every year, year after year. I come from a corporate sector. I spent 44 years in Thermex. I don't remember we planned who's going to be the CEO of the company 3 years, 4 years down the road. But in Rotary, we can tell you who will be the president of each club. 35,000 clubs will tell you who will take over next year, year after, and year after. The same thing goes for the board also. Same thing goes for the trustees also. So a unique planning system is working in Rotary, and that is what keeps Rotary young. 115 years the club is running, the Rotary is in existence. That is because fresh blood is injected into Rotary every year. A new person, a new president, he comes with fresh ideas. He comes with lot of energy. And that's how every year, though we do the same thing, because there are not many changes which take place. We all do projects, we do service projects, we do global grants, but every year the volume, scope, and the type of project continues to change. That is the beauty of Rotary. Next. The world is divided into zones. As I said, there are 34 zones, which are further divided into districts. In India, typically there are 4 zones, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are part of zone 7. Now, each Rotary district is governed by a district governor. Our district governor this year is Rashmi Kulkarni. She is the first lady governor of 3131. It comprises of Pune and Raigad revenue district, as I told you, and there are about 538 districts in all throughout the globe. Next. 35,000 clubs, 12 lakh Rotarians. In India, there are 3,500 clubs and 1,52,000 plus members. This is old slide. Next, please. Now, what is unique about Rotary, it is the oldest service NGO in the world. 115 years is a long, long, long time. And the transparency in Rotary is something that we get the award year after year for being the most transparent organization amongst the NGOs. We have largest membership. We also have a Rotary Foundation. Now, Rotary Foundation is where all the money is. Rotary International is an administrative wing. Rotary Foundation is the wing where all the money is there. All the money is spent out of the foundation. All the Rotarians, when they contribute to the foundation. Like in clubs, typically you have a club, this thing, and you have another trust also, which is registered in our case with Bombay Charitable Trust. Rotary, you will be surprised, it has a permanent place in United Nations and the Rotary International President, who changes every year, because I told you 365 days is the time given. He has a breakfast meeting with US President. Many of the Rotarians also may not be aware of it. Rotary International President has a breakfast meeting with the President of USA. Next. Service above self, this is the motto of Rotary organization. The first service project, now we have done many. They had built in 1907. Mind you, 1905 it started. 1907, they constructed first public laboratory, public toilet. This was the first project carried out by Rotary. Today, I think the number of toilets which Rotary has built, the number will be running into lakhs, if not crores. Next. All of us would have heard, because I have seen the general, the audience, all of us are, 40 plus, 45, whatever. Pulse polio, we have all seen. Do Boond Zindagi Ki, Amitabh Bachchan comes on TV and tells us. Now, what we are not aware is 1975, Rotary took it upon themselves that we are going to eradicate polio from the face of the earth. In 2013, 38 years later, India was declared polio free. It took that much amount of time, and millions of dollars were spent. What we don't know, again, most of the Rotarians are not aware that vaccine which is given, that Do Boond, the cost of entire Do Boond across the globe is paid by Rotary International. For those of us who do not know, the entire cost is borne by Rotary International. Next, please. These are some pictures. We are into the field of literacy, sustainable water, microcredit. Next. Volunteer travel, donation of art supplies, school materials, shelter boxes in the disaster area. Interestingly, in this COVID, now that this Corona COVID thing has come, would you like to know how much money has been spent by Rotary International, within India for the COVID thing? We donated about 115 crores to the PM Care Fund. All Rotarians put together. 115 crores we paid to the PM Care, and another about 30-35 crores have been spent by various districts across India in giving PPEs, in giving masks, in giving equipment, giving ventilator. In Pune itself, we have done wonderful job. We have spent in Pune itself, I think, more than 10 crore rupees. Next. Now, this is important. Rotary does not have any boundaries. Any nation, there are 200 countries where Rotary is present. All cultures are welcome. All kind of ethnic groups are welcome. Religions, there is no bar. Race, there is no bar. Gender, there is no bar. All kind of traditions are welcome. Now, interestingly, ladies were not part of Rotary till the year, I think, 1975 or 85. Only thereafter, lot of, they went to Supreme Court and whatever happened. And then the ladies also, they were welcome into the Rotary. And now about 15% of the overall population of Rotarians is women. And we want more of them. Next. Now this is, I had discussed with you what is Rotary. The same thing is here, doing good in the world, enable Rotarians to advance world understanding, goodwill, peace, improvement of health, support of education, and alleviation of poverty. These are the things which Rotary believes in, but this list is only indicative. We do much, much, much more, which you will know as we proceed. Next. Now, all of you who want to join Rotary, the Pune Cantonment Club or Rotary International, once you join the club, one thing is there, you become, moment you get the Rotary pin on your lapel, you are Rotarian who is recognized worldwide in all the 35,000 clubs across the globe. You don't need another certificate. Your pin is your certificate that you are a Rotarian. You can walk into any city. Suppose you are traveling to Chennai. You can find out which is the nearest club. You can go and attend their meeting. They will welcome you. You are in London, you can do the same thing. You are in Paris, you can do the same thing. Now, as Rotarians, you'll be making some investment. When we talk of investment, we talk of money. Now your investment is going to be the club fees. I don't know what Gupta ji will decide, but typically it is between 15 to 20,000 rupees per annum in Pune. Pardon? On top of that, how much you want to give back to the society depends on you. Rotary will accept even $1 from you. There are Rotarians within Pune who have donated $365,000 as of today. I spoke about Rashmi Kulkarni. Rashmi and Vinay Kulkarni. Vinay is Rashmi's spouse. He is also PDG. Between two of them, till today, they have given to Rotary $355,000. And they have committed in Rashmi's year, they will take this figure to $500,000, $500,000. So it depends on you individually. You can give $100, you can give $1,000, you can give $10,000. You are most welcome. Now that is something which is over and above your club charges. Now club charges is small investment. And what do you get in return? Because typically people who are in finance, they'll say return on investment. That if you have spent a rupee, what are you getting out of it? Now what you get out of the rupee which you spend in Rotary is, first and foremost is friendship. Pune Cantonment, if there are 80 members, moment you get the pin, you have 80 more friends overnight. And the friends who will be there in the time of need before your relatives come in. I can assure you. That is my experience in the last 15, 16 years. Business development. Rotary networking is who's who of Pune. They are Rotarians. Moment you go and meet somebody and tell him you are a Rotarian, if you are meeting another Rotarian, you are welcome. You want to go to the best of surgeon, if he is a Rotarian, you have to just introduce yourself. You get priority. Personal growth and development. I'll give you an example of my own club, Pune Sports City. Last year, 2019-20, our club is, cosmopolitan club. All our programs are run in English language or Hindi. Once in a while in Marathi. So our new president is a builder. Last year he came as a builder. Now his biggest worry was he could not speak beyond 4 or 5 sentences. So he was a worried man that how will I face the club, how will I work in the district, how things will happen, so many meetings, etc., etc. I invite you to meet that gentleman, Mr. Vinod Patil, today. He can stand and talk for next 1.5 hours, 2 hours in front of a crowd of 1,000 people. Now that is what Rotary teaches you. That is the kind of opportunity which Rotary gives you. Leadership development, once you become a Rotarian, you will learn how opportunities are provided for you to be a leader, to lead a project, to lead a group, to lead the club, to lead the district, etc. Immense amount of opportunities are there. And of course, we are all citizenship of the community. Whatever we are today, whether we have few lakhs or we have few crores, everything has come out of the community, because without community, we are absolutely nobody. Next, Sadiq. Continuing education, you will be surprised. I can see some friends, who are with gray hair. We believe we have seen it all, done it all, we know everything. But trust me, after joining Rotary, you will start realizing how much you don't know. So your education, it is not the formal education. You won't get any degree of BA, MA, MSc, etc. But the learning, Hindi mein there is a word called pada guda. So padhai jo hai BA, MA ho gayi, but guda jo hai, the maturity, that continues, in Rotary, lot many things you will get to learn because you will get an opportunity. Fun, of course. Rotarians enjoy, they work as much, they do all the projects, but they have a gala time also. There is something known as fellowship, which my friends will tell you, after the meeting, what is fellowship all about. There are programs. Actually, we celebrate the birthdays of all the Rotarians in the club. We celebrate the marriage anniversaries. We have Tambola. We have dances. We have Ganpati festival. All kind of festivals are celebrated in the club. We have a gala time. We do a lot of project work, but at the same time, we enjoy ourselves also in Rotary. Public speaking skills, you will get immense amount of opportunities, as many as you need. Citizenship in the world, I have explained to you, 35,000 clubs. You are welcome to visit any club. You will be invited there. You will be welcome there. Assistance when traveling. I'll give you an example how Rotary works and how it helps. Excuse me, one sec. There's some outside noise was coming. I'll give you an example. My daughter, she is a chartered accountant. She settled in Bangalore. Those were the early days. They had just, been in Bangalore for about a year and few months. Now she developed some problem, that herpes, and they don't know who to contact, what to do, where to go, and it happened to be on a weekend. And I got a phone call. And they said, Papa, what should we do? If we go to a hospital, we don't know, they'll admit us and what all will happen. I said, okay, let me find out. So we figured out there is a Rotary Club of Indiranagar and there's one colonel there, I think Colonel Das or whatever was the name. So made a phone call to him, ki, sir, my children are there in Bangalore and they have a problem and today happens to be Sunday or Saturday it was. He says, don't worry, Sethi, you just give me their phone number. He made a call to them, gave them an appointment. He come to my house tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock or whatever time. They went to his house. He did the complete checkup. He gave them breakfast also. They had a good time. And he suggested whatever medication was necessary. The best part is, after 48 hours, this gentleman, the Rotarian, Colonel Das, he picks up the phone and talks to my daughter, Niti, how are you feeling now? This is Rotary. This is Rotary. Another example I'll give you. Some of our Rotarian friends, they were traveling, going to Mumbai to catch a flight or whatever. They met with an accident somewhere around Panvel. They picked up the phone in Panvel. There are at least, if I'm not mistaken, more than 24 doctors who are Rotarians and very well known, the best doctors. They picked up the phone and spoke to one of the doctors. The doctor said, you stay where you are. So they sent the ambulance, sent the doctor, got them to the hospital, admitted them, gave them all the treatment, all free. They were looked after for 2 days, 3 days, till they were, well enough to come back home. So this is what Rotary does. This is how Rotary helps you. Rotarian, if you don't know anybody in a city and you just pick up the phone and find out who's the president of the given club, you'll get all the support you need. You got to experience it, because I have experienced it many times, therefore I am sharing with you. Next, please. Entertainment. I was talking about Tambola. There are Christmas celebration is there. Some dance festivals are celebrated. It depends on your choice. What is it you would like to do? So there's a lot of entertainment opportunity, social skill development, family programs are there. See, in Rotary, one thing which you have to accept, you are not joining Rotary as an individual. You are joining Rotary as a family. You will be paying the fees, but your spouse is also welcome and attend all the meetings, barring the business meetings. Attend all the fun programs, come and play Tambola. If you are going for a project, your spouse is most welcome to join the project. Business meetings are meant only for the members, but other than that, your entire family is part of the Rotary. Vocational skills, then development of ethics. Rotary believes in four-way test. We'll talk about it. You will get to learn about, because Rotary has very high ethical standards. Very, very high ethical standards. Next, please. Cultural awareness. Now, in your club, I am sure you'll have people, from Bengal, and you'll have people from Orissa, and you'll have people from Punjab and Haryana and whatever. Now, there's variety of cultures which are present, and once you attend Rotary events, when I say Rotary events, we have a Rotary conference once every year. Now, conference is once a year. Each governor has his conference. It is typically attended by 3,000 to 3,500 people. Now, you got to be present there to see the variety of, the kind of people who are there, the dresses which they have, the kind of, food which is served there, the cultural, menu which is present in those conferences. You'll be absolutely amazed. And if you happen to attend a Rotary convention, mind you, the number of participants always is more than 25,000. More than 25,000 from 200 countries across the globe. It's a prestige to be a Rotarian. Once you put the Rotary pin, you become a VIP in the community. Trust me. After you put the pin, you will realize Rotarians are nice people. We believe that. And we take only nice people into Rotary. So you are one of them. There is no official creed or official culture in Rotary, that you have to say sir and this and that. All Rotarians, we prefer being called by our first name. I am being called Bridge. My full name is Bridge Mohan Kumar Sethi, etc. We don't say Mr., we don't say sir, etc. We just call each other by the first name. Now Rashmi, she is governor, district governor. But when I meet her, I am not going to say Madam Rashmi. I'll just say Rashmi, this is what we want to do, etc., etc. And the biggest of all is, Rotary is a platform. Tell me about the time, Sadiq, I should not overshoot. Opportunity to serve. You can go back to the community, because I am a staunch believer, whatever I am today. I have a director in Thermax, I have a car, I have a house. Whatever I have today, community has given me. Community has provided me an opportunity. If you are a doctor and if there is no community around you, who will you serve? Nobody. If you are a professor, you are a teacher, you are a businessman, there is no community, what will you do? Nothing. So whatever we have, community has given it, and Rotary believes that every Rotarian has to give back to the society. We'll learn more about it as we go. Next. I'll take it a little fast also, because I think I was given 25 minutes time. I've taken almost half an hour. Now, what are your obligations? We talked about return on investment. You spend some money, so what are you expecting from Rotary? Rotary also expects two things from you. First and foremost is the participation. If there are 4 meetings in a month, you are expected to attend at least 2, 3 out of those, if not all the 4. You must give your time and talent. Money is also welcome, by the way, but your time is most precious for Rotary. Your talent, what you know best, give it to the Rotary so that it can be used for the community. Fellowship and social functions in club and district activities, your presence is required. We have a lot of programs throughout the year where I talked about continuing education. So that continuing education happens by way of seminars, which you are supposed to attend. Next, please. Pay Rotary and club dues on time. Support the Rotary Foundation. I was talking about dollars donation. Be a leader in your society, district, state, and country. Next. Rotary cannot be explained in one meeting. You need years to understand. I have spent 15 years. I'm still learning. I'm happy to be a part of a worldwide movement called Rotary. And once you join it, I'm sure you'll be as proud as I am today. Next. Thanks. After the next presentation, we'll have an opportunity for question answers. Now, related to whatever I told you, I'm sure you'll have a few questions in your mind. So we'll take them little later. Thank you. Over to you, Sadiq.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Rotarian Bridge, for a wonderful presentation and explaining the right from the history to the district to the club. And one point I'd like to emphasize on we as a club, we are more than 50% of lady Rotarians. So we like to maintain that tradition. So we are already changing tides in a way.
Very nice.
So I'd like to proceed further. Will you take questions now or will you take questions later?
We'll take questions at the end after both the presentations.
Okay. So I welcome Rotarian Imtiaz now to introduce Rotarian Pramod.
Hi, good evening all. Thank you, Sadiq, for the opportunity. Well, I'm here to introduce Rotarian Pramod Ambekar. He has completed electrical engineering from VJTI in Mumbai University. He has worked for 35 plus years in software product development field with specialization in project management, CRM materials management, and supply chain systems. He is a CEO of PowerTech Biz Consultants. He specializes in applications for project management for large EPC projects. And in past, he has established a software export unit in SEEPS to export software to Japan, Germany, and USA. Besides this, he also has a trading business, and he trades in which he imports and distributes barcode printing ribbons and labels. And his company represents Armor, a French manufacturer. His Rotary journey so far was invited in the year 1993 to join Rotary Club of Thana West. And that was in District 3140, now 3142. He was the president of Rotary Club of Thana West in 1999-2000. From there on, his journey has been wide, and he has taken a lot of different posts in the Rotary organization. He completed RLI training in 2013. He was the Avenue Chair for NGOs in 2014 and 15. Now, the Avenue Chair is equivalent to Director in District 331. Besides this, he was the CSR Avenue District Secretary, and finally joined Rotary Club of Pune Bavdhan Elite in 2019. Currently, he is in the district membership team for Rotary orientation. That's why we have him over here. Welcome you, sir. Major projects he has initiated in the clubs are pre-military recruitment training camp for youth in Jawar area of Thane district. The club had conducted more than 12 such camps and helped youth in joining army and paramilitary forces with the help of Major Gawan. More than 600 cadets benefited from this. He has also conducted vocational training courses in Thane ITI for school dropout boys and girls in Thane in the area of electrician, plumbing, and welding. He's conducted vocational training courses for jail inmates of the Thane jail as well. About his family, his wife Kalpana is a PhD in botany and also has a hobby in horticulture. He's expert in rye flower decoration and a lot of other things. Besides that, his daughter Ketki is a B in IT and is currently pursuing her MS in USA. So without further ado, Rotarian Pramod Ambekar, we hand over the mic to you. So you continue. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Imtiaz. This wonderful introduction. That was long. In fact, I told Rajesh to make it as brief as one can. Anyway, Rajesh, Sadik, just tell me, I mean, if I'm going to exceed time, just tell me so that I can...
it's 7:40 now.
Stop it right point of time. Yeah, whatever time that you want me to talk. I'm not going to talk using any PowerPoint. I'm going to make it a little extempo. Okay, let's make it a little more interesting. I'm just going to elaborate a few of the points that Breach has already mentioned in his structured presentation. And I'm also going to focus on what we can get benefited from the internationalization of a Rotary. So what is there in it for you and me? Okay, that's very important. Ultimately, we are here for gaining something for ourselves. Now, Breach has mentioned to us Rotary's formation. Rotary was formed with the 4 gentlemen in 1905, 23rd February 1905, very specifically. One of the major reasons for it was friendship and fellowship. What happens is you are in in your profession, but in profession like during initial discussion, Ayman mentioned, we have acquaintances. You know a lot of people. If you pick up your cards, I mean, you may have 100, 200 or 500 cards. Okay, on LinkedIn you may have 500 connects. But are they your friends? No. What is my definition of friend? Friend is somebody in middle of night, you should be able to call him. And he should be able to, there is no hesitation for him to pick up your phone and come to help you out. That's the definition of my friend. For me. Now you make friends during your school days and college days, but once you get into professional life, there's very few opportunities to make a friend. But Rotary is one place, like Breach mentioned, we can make friends. Okay, he has given an umpteen number of examples. I may add at the end one of my own example. Okay, but that's what you get in Rotary. Rotary, you don't come with a specific intention of promoting your business, because many times people think that here is a group of HNIs and I can come and sell insurance policies there. Yes, if people know that you are in insurance business, people will come next time to you to renew their policies or get new policies. But you're not expected to do that very specifically. Now, I mentioned about fellowship part of it. Now, just imagine a situation doctors are. Now, doctors day in, day out, they meet the patients. Who else they meet? They meet other doctors or they meet MRs. They get fed up of it. They want to, even when they go for any, family function, you will find majority of relatives come to them and say that I have this problem, what do I do and what? So all along their life, they are in that whole circle. Now, Rotary is a place where doctors really come out and enjoy their life along with their families. Breach mentioned, when you join Rotary, you become a part of 1.2 million families across the globe. Okay. So, and what is your passport to that? Is a pin that you carry. You'll always get a pin like this, okay, with Rotary Circle. As soon as with Rotary Circle on it, you just carry that, okay, and you're welcome. Why that happens? Because Rotary membership is typically by invitation. Okay, you can't just go to any Rotary club and say, I want to join. No, it doesn't happen. It happened for the first time for you, which is fine. But generally, anybody wants to join Rotary Cantonment Club, they will have to be invited by one of the Rotarians. And why that happens? Because that Rotarian vouches for his integrity and honesty and his moral and ethics. Okay? And that's something which we value a lot in Rotary. Why we join Rotary? Rotary is self-funded organization. Like Breach said, for everything, you have to pay for the membership of the club, you have to pay for the Rotary International, you have to pay your own money for a project. Why do we do that? For a very simple reason. We are successful vocational profession. And that's one of the basic criteria of joining Rotary or being invited to the Rotary. And why we are successful in our vocational profession? Because of society. We got education because somebody from the society built institutes where you could take the education. Okay, somebody facilitated your education, somebody helped you in getting into profession, somebody mentored you in your profession. And because in society you're done business, you have made a profit or you made money, that's why you have certain status. Now is the time for us to do something little to the society and do our bit by contributing it. Now, of course, you can always do a charity work on your own. Nobody stops you from doing it. But in Rotary, you'll find there are multiple, people who come with a managerial background, their vocational background, and together we can do wonderful projects. Say, for example, if you get medicos in your club, a doctor can help, conducting medical camps in, underprivileged part of city, or maybe in some schools, underprivileged schools, you can do that. If you're HR manager, I mean, there are many clubs in which there are HR managers. You can conduct soft skill programs for students in class, schools, as well as colleges. So your vocation can be used for furthering, the benefit to the society. That's one of the biggest advantage you have. Bridge has fantastic project planning experience. So any large project that club can take, Bridge can work out participant chart and work out monitoring mechanism for it and implement that project very successfully. That's something which you can do. We believe in any profession which is socially acceptable is okay in Rotary. Okay, and something definitely useful to it. For that, in fact, there is something called object of a Rotary. You should be able to read it. I'll just mention briefly, there are 4 objects of Rotary. Of course, service above self is major object of a Rotary. Beyond that, object of a Rotary is to encourage and foster the ideal of service as a basis of worthy enterprise, and in particular to encourage and foster, 1, the development of acquaintance as an opportunity of service. So when you are together, when I and Bridge is together, or I and Rajesh is together, we definitely will think of course, we can have a lot of fun together, we can play Bridge, or we can play, even have a drink together. But naturally, all of us, when come together, we'll think of something nice for a society and do it together, jointly. Second, high ethical standards in business and profession. The recognition of worthiness of all useful occupation and the dignifying of each Rotarian's occupation as an opportunity to serve society. So everybody has something which he can give to the society. So that's something which we should be able to encourage. And third, the application of the ideal of service in each Rotarian's personal, business, and community life. Fourth, advancement of international understanding, goodwill, peace through the World Fellowship of Business, professional persons united in ideal of service. Now, Bridge mentioned that Rotary is spread in 200 countries across the world. Now, I'll just give an example. When United Nations was formed, Rotary was invited to participate in the United Nations formation and signing of Charter of United Nations. In fact, at that point of time, not only there was a delegation from Rotary International, plus many of the head of the states who were present there in signing of the charter, they were Rotarians. So Rotary has enormous contribution in forming the United Nations itself. Now, I mentioned Rotary membership is by invitation, and somebody watches for your honesty. What you to do in your occasion is propagate what we call as ethics and vocational standards. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah. So, the 4-way test is something which was formed in 1932 by Rotarian Herbert Taylor, and even after 90 years, it's still used in toto. What it is for of the things that we think, say, or do. Okay, is it truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Now, if you apply this 4-way test for every thing that you say or everything you do in your social, personal and business life, you will never go wrong. Okay, nothing will affect or hurt any of the Rotarians. That's something which is very important. Okay, and we expect you to follow this 4-way test in your life, you know, in Rotary life, and that's something which we expect you to propagate to rest of the community in your business and vocation also. Now, Rotary, as Brij mentioned, is an international organization of 1.2. How did it help me? Now, Rotary has a lot of programs, international programs, and I'll just mention 2 of them. One is Rotary Friendship Exchange Program. Okay, you can go across the world, you can attend Rotary clubs. Okay, some other clubs in Western countries, they expect you to pay attendance fee and maybe even expect them you to pay meals that they serve. In India, everywhere you can attend a meeting without paying any additional fees. And Rotary now has across the globe, there are 2 very good programs that you can make use of. One is Friendship Exchange. Now you can go to another Rotary club, let's say Scandinavian countries like Denmark, Sweden. You can homestay with the Rotarians. They can take you as a guest and help you introducing their culture there. Okay, that can happen. So similarly, you can host them. There has to be a reciprocal program. Okay, so you can be hosted by, you can host, some of the Rotarians who are coming across from that. So that becomes a very good cultural exchange. Now just imagine observing Paris as a tourist and, observing Paris as a guest of somebody who is a native French, is something a lot different. Similarly, there is a program called International Youth Exchange. Now, all of you may have kids who are possibly in the range of, age group of 18 to 22. They can be sent across the world, as an international youth exchange program for 1 year period. Okay, you don't have to spend any money. They will be taken care of by the Rotarians over there. They will have the homestay. Their education for that 1 year will be taken care of. On that, you need to focus their travel and insurance expenses. Okay, and you will find, you will come to know a lot of people got benefited. Their personality got completely changed. Okay, after they go through this program. Now, apart from that, there are something called Rotary action groups. Now, let's say Rotary so there is something called Rotary Fellowship and Rotary action groups. Now, what happens is, let's say you have interest in photography. There are Rotary action groups and fellowship groups of photography. So you can join that, which will, get in touch with all the Rotarians across the world. Many of them who are interested in this. Or if you are interested in biking, there are Rotary fellowship groups for biking. And you can have a groups going across the country in different parts of the world and organize. Last year we had a rally, car rally going to New Zealand. Okay, so that kind of things can happen, and for which you don't have to pay anything except your own expenses, and you get connected with these people. And there is a lot of information, like Brij mentioned, is available on net about it. Okay, if you search for Rotary action groups, you'll get it. Or we can also help you in getting those that information to you. Getting benefited by this, and Rotary is run like a multinational organization. For every position that anybody takes, say for example, Mr. Gupta has taken a presidentship in the current year, there is a complete manual written, like a multinational organization has everything, every procedure is written, every role and responsibility is jotted down. Okay, every function is being jotted down. Similarly, President's manual or Secretary's manual mentions that kind of stuff in very detail. And like Brij mentioned, Rotary helps in developing the personality You will be talking in terms of public speaking is one area that he talks about. Not only that, when you plan and execute a project, see the process, what happens. I mean, you conceive a project. Somebody like, let's say, Seema conceives the project. She will, if she wants to get Rotary Club to be involved in that, she needs to convince all other members. Then she will have to, chairperson of the club or executive committee of the club will have to really plan for the finances of it. Then somebody like Bridge will have to work out how to execute that particular project and execute it. Just imagine amount of learning that you will have here in this. Okay. So that's some skills that you can develop, which possibly some of the people who are, vocations like trading will not be able to get it, but they can get the skills and they can learn the skills in Rotary and get benefited in their business life too. Bridge mentioned about calling Rotary. Everybody is equal in Rotary. Whether somebody like Bridge who is in 15 years in Rotary, or I who spent 25 years here in Rotary, or Sadiq, when you join a Rotary, we are all at the same level. Okay, we never consider on Rotary platform somebody's senior or junior in Rotary. That never happens. I'll give my own personal example. A person like Adi Godrej. Okay, he's the biggest industrialist. Now, I happen to have met him many times in Bombay Rotary Club, okay, for Bombay Rotary programs. And I could shake hand with him saying, hello, Adi, how are you? Now, imagine where else and which other platform you could have called Adi Godrej and why should he even talk to you and get introduced to you on a first name basis? That's something happens. There's absolutely, there is no hesitation in that. Okay, that's one. Anybody Rotarian, I mean, let's say you don't even know him and you call him and saying that Rotarian Sadiq called, you will 101% either he takes your call or he will return your call. Okay, and your work will just added few of the benefits of Rotary. I'd like to stop it here. Any questions? Then I'll be happy to take it. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Pramod, for such a passionate speech and getting into the crux of Rotary, into the soul of Rotary, and such a passionate speech that you made. Any questions? They'd like to take some questions if they are. We are a very new club and we don't have many Rotarians and many people with Rotarian background. So we'll require all the support that is there from our sponsor club, Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment, as well as from the district as well.
Sure. See, once you become a Rotarian, and if you want any information from any other Rotarian, just call him. Okay, without any hesitation, pick up the phone, call him saying, I'm, Rotarian Sadiq is speaking, or I'm Rotarian Seema is speaking, or I'm a Rotarian Ayman speaking. There is no question asked, because the moment you get PIN, you're qualified as somebody who is worthy to be believed in. Okay, so this you don't have to really answer any questions. Nobody's going to ask you many questions like, Sadiq, hey, what have you been doing? What is your business? How old you are? Nothing. You are taken as a Rotarian, and you get a direct connection between these two persons. You just, I mean, I'll just, like Bridge mentioned, which I'll just reiterate, carry this day in, day out, and you will see wonders it does for your personal life and your professional life.
Any questions if they are there from the new members especially?
Yeah, I'll just request to all the members, new members, there's a golden opportunity. Two senior people are sitting over here. On your request, you can ask whatever doubts are there. That is better that you get. As Bridge has Pramod has mentioned that it will take time to understand all those things. But whatever basic you want to know, any specific questions which is there in your mind, you are free to ask. And it is better you ask it now itself. So the journey will continue for long. and you will come to know many things with the time. But still, you can ask whatever any doubts you have got, you can just clarify with them.
You may not have doubts for the simple reason. I mean, this is just the first encounter with information that you have. I can just make one statement. Joining Rotary is the inflection point in your life. You will never forget two things. When you join Rotary, second thing, who introduced you to Rotary, okay, and third thing, who inducted in your Rotary. And those moments will always be vivid, and you will find across your life. I mean, all Rotarians will say a beautiful experience that they encountered in their life.
Yes, Imtiaz, please ask a question.
Yeah. Hi. My name is Imtiaz. And Bridge, as you had mentioned some time back, that since the beginning we have been hearing this, that if you become part of Rotary, even if you become a part of one club, you're part of the whole Rotary. And today you did mention that when you become a member, you're a part of that club, but you're not a part of the Rotary International. So this was a little bit confusing. I'm not very clear about what is Rotary International and what is Rotary Club. How are they different? And when we join Rotary, are we part of the Rotary International, Rotary Club, or what exactly? So this is a bit confusing.
Let us understand. You can say Rotary International is the apex body.
Okay.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Now these 35,000 clubs, they are members of the International. You and me, we are members of our parent club. My parent club is Sport City. Your parent club will be Cantonment.
Okay.
We can't claim that we are members of Rotary International.
Okay.
Because Rotary International does not have any individual members.
Okay.
It has only clubs as its members.
Okay.
So therefore I was saying, because people carry this, I am a member of Rotary International. Sorry, you are not. You can say I am a part of Rotary International, yes. Because Rotary International is 35,000 clubs and you are a part of the club. So you are part of Rotary family.
In short, Rotary International is not a group of individuals, it's a group of clubs.
Yes.
It is a group of clubs.
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
I think it's don't get confused with this part of it. Is more from a technical perspective point of view. When you join Rotary Club, you are a part of Rotary family across the globe.
Correct.
Okay.
That also
that is important.
The kind of relation between you and me, or you and
See, another thing I would like to add, since there are no questions, I can assure you, I am a Rotarian. I mean, I'm just sharing with you. I have happily donated money to Rotary Foundation. I'm a major donor. Major donor means my donation is more than $10,000 today. I'll continue donating. One thing I can assure you, none of you who's attending this session will regret in life being a Rotarian. Samir, can I say that?
Absolutely.
You will never regret that I made a, bad decision of joining Rotary. None of you. I can challenge it.
Well, Bridge, I was actually going to speak a couple of points, but with the permission of the president.
Yeah, come Nazir. Nazir has some doubts.
Yeah, Nazir.
Please.
No, I had a question.
Yeah.
If somebody can either Bridge or Pramod or anybody can give me a percentage of the funds collected that goes into the projects for the society's welfare.
Okay.
Can I answer that?
Oh, okay. Yeah. You answer.
Okay. Nazir, the Rotary Foundation is a Rotary International with one organization looks after administration part of it, and the Rotary Foundation, which generally refer to it as a TRF. Okay. You already get used to a lot of acronyms. So TRF is a foundation basically, which takes care of Rotary is the only organization where 96% of the funds actually goes in a project. Total administrative expenses are not more than 4%. Okay. If you look at any other foundation, global foundation, you will find 30 to 40% of the money goes towards everything else.
Yeah.
The reason why that happens, I'll also explain you, and that's very important. Let's say we do a project in our club, and for which TRF gives certain funding. Okay, there is a method of giving a funding. Let's not get into complexity of it.
Yeah.
But we raise certain funds, TRF contributes certain thing on it. Now, when we work on it, we don't charge any expenses on account of that project. Okay, Rotarians come out their own expenses, and fundation in a TRF projects or Rotary projects across the globe.
Yeah, so 96 to 97%. I mean, that's good enough for me.
Year on year.
That's good enough.
Year on year.
Prabodh, can you
Thanks.
allow me to add to your point?
Sure,
Come, Soman.
Okay, Nazir, your question was absolutely valid, because I'm sure you must have gone through some few more NGOs of similar kind, but Rotary is only known NGO which has the lowest administrative cost in the whole world, and it is known for it. Just one more point with the permission of President. President, may I? Unmute yourself, Surendra ji.
Go ahead, Samir. I think we are all eager to hear you. Go ahead. Yes.
Oh, just 2 points to add to all your, you both are encyclopedia actually on Rotary. You have spoken a lot and in a very brief way. But let me put up these two things. Enjoying Rotary is to experience Rotary if you want to enjoy it. So you have to be a part of Rotary, and Rotary will show you miracles. Miracles will just come along your way. It's magic. Trust me, it is magic. Like Bridge just told you about some couple of examples, and I'm sure President here, S.K. Gupta, whenever you have free time or fellowship time, he will also tell you a recent example of his own family. Okay, and it's really wonderful. The Rotary family is pretty large. Secondly, we all know about the US president who spoke about, don't expect what the country can give it to you, but expect what you can give it to the country. It is the same here also. Just check out that what you can give to the society, because you are here. And Bridge has already explained that you are here because of the society, because of the community. So whatever and smaller way or a larger way, you need to start giving back. So this is a perfect platform where every rupee you donate is being accounted for, and you can be rest assured about it. Every single rupee has gone for a particular worth, what you want it to. And as Pramod said that it's an organization of a team of board of directors, the club members, that is called a general body. Your leadership skills really work here so well that if you want to get some work done here on the respect of some society, some community project or something, everybody will be saying yes to you, and there will be no doubt about it. And I'm sure Sadiq, you can always look out for them, because the first point when I was talking to Sadiq and I told him that what are your service projects coming in, that was my first question. So I'm sure you are all today motivated with joining Rotary here, and promise yourself that you will be doing really great work here also. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
One more.
Yeah. Yes, Nazir has one more question.
Well, I don't know about abroad, and I'm not really interested, but in India, specifically in Pune, has Rotary taken any sports-related projects?
Related to what?
Sports.
Oh, yeah.
See, we've got education, we've got self-enhancements and everything,
yes,
but
yes.
for children, any sports?
We have sports-related project. In fact, just to give an example, we have a Rotary Club, satellite Rotary Club, just being formed, who is cause-based and whose motto is cricket. We have a Rotary fitness program. We have, in fact, Rotary cricket team going across. Rotarians cricket team going across and playing with other Rotarians in other country. That kind of things exist.
Okay, the reason I'm asking, the reason that I asked, And the reason that I asked, and it's wonderful to hear about the cricket team and also projects for children, because I'm a qualified ICC qualified cricket coach, level 1.
Fantastic.
So that would be of interest to me. Let's put it that way.
Yeah. Then you are the asset for the club also and for the district also.
Thank you.
Yeah. We'll take advantage of you. Don't worry.
Aiman, I mean, you have anything to say or?
Me, no, I was waiting for all the questions to end. I am quite clear.
Okay.
And I'm quite happy to be a part of all this.
Great. That's.
Sanjay sir, would you like to ask something?
Rotary is in your family.
Sanjay? He's been quite quiet. Could unmute yourself, and if you can ask some question you have.
You can even make a comment, I mean, that comment also could be.
Yes, Sanjay.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Can you ask any questions you have got?
No, I have already heard a lot. Now we can start experiencing whatever is said today.
Good.
So since there are no questions, I'd like to invite President S.K. Gupta to just give a brief intro of whatever concluding remarks of the program today.
See, I am very grateful to the people who have joined with Bridge and Pramod and all galaxy of our own members from Samir, Rajesh. They are all seniors. They are ready for your club to help at every level. And whatever information or help is required in any sphere, we are there with you. And as Bridge and Pramod has given very detailed information to you, what all Rotary can give and what all Rotary expect from you. So we have to work both ways, and it is not that we expect only, we have to give something to it. That is what our Rotary purpose is, that we are here, we have gathered we have taken much of help from the society. Now we are there to support the society, help it, and do something good for the society. As Samir was mentioning, one of my example, he referred to me very recently, that in one of the evening, it was a very, I say Saturday or Sunday, at the night, 10 o'clock, I got some call from my family that they are sick at a very odd place. And sickness came in the train when they were traveling the train. So they said that the matter is very serious and what to do. So I could not just think of what to do, and for 5 minutes I was just confused how I can help it. I called Samir for that time, that Samir, this is a problem. I don't know anybody over there in Ahmedabad or Surat, that side. I don't know anyone what to do. He connected me with, gave me number of one person or Rotarian over there. And he said he can help you out. You just call him and get it. That person was here in some of the meeting, and he picked up my phone. He said, I told him that I am Rotarian so and so from Pune. I need some help. And to my surprise, he was also a doctor. So he said, what is the problem? I explained him there is a problem, and one of my senior citizen of my family is having a heart problem, and he needs immediate help. So as he has said, that it is just a family call. And that fellow followed up with me up to 1 o'clock in the night. I stopped it at 11 o'clock that he may feel odd that I am calling again and again. He arranged all the help. He sent ambulance. He arranged everything, the hospital. He provided all the arrangements to that the patient gets all the treatment, emergency treatment. I could reach the next day morning over there, and I could see everything was hale and hearty. And next day I met him in the evening, and I thank you for his help and all. You can imagine, as it is possible that we could have got something of this, and I'm sure if this help could not have been provided, the case could have been much more serious. that we could handle just by sitting over here without any known person over there where we do not have any contact. We just get one link that there is a person who is a Rotarian and he can support us. So this is the kind which we look for. It is not that we are always look for money. We look for something where we can know something, that we can have somebody can acknowledge us that yes, if I'm moving in the crowd, if I don't have any recognition, there is no value for us. We have earned a lot of money over there. If we are walking on the road, if I have some problem, nobody recognizes me, then what is the fun of getting all the money throughout the life? Everyone looks for that somebody recognizes me. So this is what we get a platform to where we get the recognition. And if for doing something, if we have to spend something and we are got from the society itself, we are giving it back. So, but there is no harm in that, and we get so many things out of it. So it is a nice platform, as Brij and Pramod has explained. Samir has given you all the hint. Rajesh is there. We all. I'm not very senior like Sir Rajesh and Samir. I'm maybe the junior most, but I'm still learning. And for the last 4 or 5 years, what I've got the experience, I'm really enjoying it. As they said, it is no regrets of joining after Rotary. There's no regrets, and you will definitely enjoy this. That is what we can see. And I am very thankful for Pramod and Brij for accepting our invitation and guiding you people at this level. They have done it earlier, and they are still doing it. That is. You can't expect in any other NGO or any organization that so senior person comes to you at your one call and he talks to the so younger guys that okay, you listen to us. So that's what from my side. I hope you understand the things, emotions and logic behind this, and you are in the right step. That was what I can say. Thank you all. So it is Sadik. You can take it forward.
Thank you, President S.K. Gupta, for your very wonderful speech and help guiding us forming this club. In fact, Rotarian Brij and Rotarian Pramod were also there instrumental while we spoke to the district in the initial few days, and we were really confused, and they help us gel and put things together. And here we are sitting in front of you like like the first satellite club that is there in District 3131. So it's a real honor, and we'd like all the help that you can offer. For those who don't know, for the Rotarians who don't know, my father is Rotarian Nisar Sagar, who's been in Rotary for about 30 years, and I'd like to share a small story of him as well, if we just in 1 minute. So when polio was eradicated from India, Rotary helped eradicate polio from India, he got a chance to meet the then Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. So this honor only Rotary can give you. No other organization, like common people like us, can't have that privilege to meet a sitting Prime Minister. So this is the service, because if you give that service to Rotary, Rotary rewards you in that way. And I like
it's a great thing.
I'd like to invite Rotarian Imtiaz to make the secretarial announcement. Yes.
Hi, good evening all. So I'm pretty excited to make this first announcement as a secretarial announcement. So I'm glad to announce that we have arrived as a satellite club. Now we are already Rotarians, and the very first satellite club amongst hundreds of other Rotary clubs. And there are two announcements which I would like to make during this meeting. We will have a formal installation on 22nd July. That means every new member will be installed as a Rotarian. They will be given a pin and other details. And our club charter will be given on 22nd of July. So that is one announcement we'll be having this meeting. Sadik, I believe it will be a physical meeting, right?
Yes, it will be a physical one.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And
And the second
we will be
announcement,
having it with our sponsor
we will
and
be
our
having-
parent club.
Yeah. So we'll be having it with our parent club. So the date is 22nd of July. The venue will be announced, I believe, shortly.
Venue
And
will be
second-
Ra only, no?
Round.
Yes.
Round.
Yes.
Which is at Lulanagar. And the second announcement is we'll be having one more meeting in the next week, which we will be announcing it on the group again. It will also be an online meeting only. these were the two announcements from my side, and it was a pleasure to meet you all, and hope to stay in touch. Over to Sadik.
Yes, I'd like to invite Rotarian Ayman, who was instrumental in forming the group together and gelling and bringing all the ladies in. So we can proudly say that we are more than 50% of our Rotarians are ladies, and Rotarian Prem also, she has also invited quite a few ladies. So that's a real good honor to start with such a club, and I'd like to invite her to give the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you all the Rotarians for joining us today, for joining our meeting today. My special and sincere thanks to Rotarian Bridge, Rotarian Pramod for the invaluable inputs and all the throwing light on what the Rotary Club is all about, its objective, its mottos, and its activities. As Rotarian Bridge said, we, this Satellites Club, are very happy to be part of this 115-year-old club, which is the oldest service NGO in the world, which is something which none of us knew. We would also like to applaud all the Rotarians who have contributed 115 crore nationally and donated approximately 35 crore to the PM CARES Fund. That is absolutely fantastic. I don't think any NGO has done something like this. And as Rotarian Pramod said, we are happy to make, very, very happy that we all now have our 2 a.m. friends and not just acquaintances. So we are very proud to be Rotarians, and we assure you that we will apply and propagate the 4-way test of Rotary as Rotarian Pramod mentioned. I am also very, very sure, and I agree that the ROI is going to be very, very high. Our return on investment in Rotary is going to be very, very high. I would also like to thank Rotarian Gupta for all his guidance and hand-holding he's given us for forming this club. And I would thank you once again, and I hope to see you all on the 22nd at Ra, and we will send out a notice of the time and all. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Bridge. Thank you, Pramod.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bridge. Yeah.
I'd like to congratulate Sadik.
Very nicely presented. Bridge, very nicely
managed the
presented.
meeting.
Very good.
Very nicely
It's
managed.
been a pleasure meeting all of you.
Yeah. Sadik, well managed. First meeting, well managed. Good.
Very well
Thank you for
managed.
giving us the opportunity.
Yeah, good. Go ahead.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you for
bye.
all the cantonment members who have
Bye,
joined in.
everyone.
Yeah.
Taken out time for us.
Please, Moez.
See you on 22nd.
Hi, Fatima. Yeah.
See you next week
Yeah.
online.
Yeah.
Hi, Fatima.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night. Bye-bye. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for everything.
I've recorded
Nazir?
this
Have a
meeting,
nice
so I'll
evening.
be posting it on one of my YouTube channels. So maybe we can
Okay.
have a look later if we have any doubts.
Sure.
But most of our doubts are cleared because they
No.
explained it really well.
Now, Sadik, you can get in touch with Nazir, okay?
Yes, definitely. Please share his number so I can call him.
Nazir, I can give him the number so that you can speak to Sadik. He'll give you 1 hour of his time. That's what he loves doing.
Most of
He
the
loves
things I wanted to say, they've already said.
Sure. Okay, bye-bye, everyone.
Yes.
Bye-bye. See you all.
Bye.
God bless everyone. Good night.
Bye.
Night.
Bye.